After Russia, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Austria for the second leg of his two-state visit. The two nations are set to explore ways to further deepen their bilateral relationship as they seek closer cooperation on many geopolitical challenges. This is the first visit to the nation by an Indian Prime Minister in 40 years. Prime Minister Modi was welcomed by the Austrian Foreign Minister Alexander Schallenberg. This morning, the delegations from both sides concluded their talks on bilateral cooperation.
मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि यह युद्ध का समय नहीं है। समस्याओं का समाधान रणभूमि में नहीं हो सकता। कहीं भी हो, मासूम लोगों की जान की हानि स्वीकार्य नहीं है। भारत और ऑस्ट्रिया शांति और स्थिरता की जल्द से जल्द बहाली के लिए डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी पर बल देते हैं।
There is a very good relationship between India and Austria. It's a relationship of trust which began in the 1950s and a supporter when it came to bringing the peace negotiations.
The Indian Prime Minister was awarded with a ceremonial guard of honor, after which he met with some of the high-level officials present during the honor. The Prime Minister then signed the guest book at the Federal Chancellery in Vienna. And shortly after landing, he met Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer and attended a dinner hosted by the Chancellor. Prime Minister Modi will also call on the Austrian President Alexander Van der Bellen before concluding his visit. The Prime Minister will interact with the Indian diaspora in Vienna as well. Before heading to the Central European nation, Modi's first stop was in Russia for the 22nd India-Russia summit. During the visit, India and Russia inked 9 agreements on trade, climate and research. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.